Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about three movies from the list that we will that has been given, which is Around the World in 80 Days, 2004, starring by Jackie Chan, Pay Forward, and the classic animated film from The Lion King. I think it's best if we all share our thoughts before deciding. Let's start with Around in the World in 18 Days. What do you guys think?
Sure, Fakiha. Around the World in 18 Days is a fun choice. It's an adventure drama movie with some funny and exciting part. Jackie Chan, as always, is very entertaining with his fighting and comedy. The movie is based on a famous book, and even though the story is a bit different, it's still fun and full of different countries and culture. How about you, Isna?
I agree, Alia. The movie is full of action and Jackie Chan is great, but I feel like it doesn't have a lot of deep emotions. The characters are not very developed. It is fun to watch, but as a drama, it doesn't really touch the heart.
That's true, Isna. Around the World in 80 Days is a fun and exciting but not very emotional. Maybe we should choose a movie that has more feeling, like Pay It. That movie is very touching and has a strong message about kindness and change.
Yes, Pay It Forward is a good choice too, me. Harrison. It stars by Kevin Spacey, Helen Hunt, and a young boy named Helen Joy Osment. The story is about a boy who wants to make the world better by doing good things for others. It's a deep and emotional movie, but maybe it's too heavy for a relaxing movie night.
I think so too, Fakiha. Pay It Forward is meaningful, but the mood is very serious and sad. It's a good movie, but maybe not the right one if we just want something warm and enjoyable tonight.
Then maybe we can look at the movie that is emotional but also fun. It's like The Lion King. It is a beautiful movie with a drama, adventure, and music. Even though it is a cartoon, the story about losing someone, growing up, and being responsible is very strong.
I agree, Isna. The Lion King is amazing. The story is touching and everyone can understand it. Simba's journey is full of feeling. The movie talk about family, hope, and the circle of life. It's the perfect mix of hurt and fun.
Right. The Lion King has everything, which is deep feelings and a positive story. It teaches us about loss, courage, and growing up. And the songs like Circle of Life and Can You Feel the Love Tonight make it even better.
Yes, even though it's animated, The Lion King feels like a real drama. People of all age love it. And the relationship between Mufasa and Simba is so emotional. It's one of the best father-son stories in movie.
I totally agree. Simba grows from a little cub to a strong king, and his story is so inspiring. The part where he sees Mufasa in the sky always gives me goosebumps. It reminds us to remember and honor those who came before us.
And even with the emotional part, The Lion King is still fun and exciting. The animal, the chorus, and the music make it enjoyable. It's both deep and entertaining.
We all agree that the movie of The Lion King is the best choice for us to watch tonight. I guess the movie will make us busy to do some review and let's hope that we can enjoy it together.
Yes, I agree. It's a movie that warms the heart and gives a good message.
Same here, it is a story that brings people together. Let's watch it.
Alright, is this right? I will get it, lady. Let's enjoy The Lion King together.
Great. I'm happy we all agree. It's going to be a special movie tonight.
I can wait. It's been a long time since I last watched it. I already feel excited.
Me too. It is the perfect movie. Let's get comfortable and enjoy.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.